Hi, welcome to this video on constraints in Oracle. So there are actually 5 types of constraints in Oracle. Primarily, namely primary key, foreign key, unique key, check constraints, and not null. These are the major constraints in Oracle. Briefly, the use of primary key. See, if you want to make an attribute primary key, then the attribute cannot contain duplicate values. Then the attribute cannot contain duplicate values, and it also cannot contain null values. Also cannot contain null values. Right? And regarding foreign key, if you ask me the use of foreign key, it is used to create relationship between tables. That is, the type of relationship is called referential relationship. The type of relationship is called referential relationship. So, a foreign key attribute will refer to the primary key attribute in some other table. So only those values can be there in this table. Okay, that is the use of foreign key. If you talk about unique key, as the name implies, it will ensure that values should be unique, or it cannot contain any duplicate values. Value should be unique, and it will allow null values. That is the difference between unique key and primary key. Both will not allow duplicate values, but primary key will not allow null values. Unique key will allow null values. The difference. Check constraint is actually a special constraint which checks the values before entering to the table. It checks the value before you enter into the table. For example, let us say age of an employee. Normally, age is a data type integer, right? So even 100 is an age or 2 is an age, but normally speaking, in a company, typically age of an employee it should be between 21 to 58. So whenever user enters a value for age, it will check whether the value is between 21 and 58. If it is between 21 and 58, it will be allowed to enter. Otherwise, it will not allow you to enter. That in that sense, it gives meaningful values to your table. That type of constraint is not null constraint. It will make sure that table cannot contain null values. Okay. So these are the different types of constraints in Oracle. For more on these constraints and for more SQL, PLSQL training, contact us the following number 80 56 54 7 543 or mail to Metaforum Technologies at gmail.com. Thank you.